In this video, we will convert a linear equation from point-slope form to slope-intercept form and write the equation when given 2 points. So let's just talk about the different forms. Point-slope form looks like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. So we're going to take point-slope form and turn it into y equals mx plus b. So notice here we're given the point-slope form. Y minus 5 equals negative 2 times x minus 3. I want to follow order of operations here. So I need to distribute this negative 2 first. So distribute the slope. So negative 2 times x, and negative 2 times a negative 3 is a positive 6. From here, I need to make it look like y equals. So y needs to be by itself. So I need to move over that y1 by adding 5. Now y is by itself, and it's equal to 2x plus 11. So that my slope is still negative 2, but my y-intercept is now 11. So we're converting this equation from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. First, I need to distribute the slope. So 2/5 times x is 2/5 x. 2/5 times negative 4 is a negative 8/5. Now I need to subtract 3 from both sides. So y is equal to 2/5 x minus 23/5. It's okay to have a fraction like this as the y-intercept. Next, this one is on your own. I want you to distribute the slope and move over that 7. This one is also on your own. Distribute that 4 and then move that 1 over. Now, what if we're given 2 points and we want to find the equation of the line? So we know that we have to have the slope first. So if I'm given the points, negative 7, negative 3, and 0, 2, to write the equation in slope-intercept form, the very first step I need to do is find the slope. So slope formula, 2 minus a negative 3 over 0 minus a negative 7 gives me a slope of 5/7. I'm actually going to use point-slope form here and then convert it to slope-intercept form to solve for that b value. So write our point-slope form as y minus a negative 3 equals 5/7 times x minus a negative 7. We don't want to leave these minus and negatives in there, so let's clean this up a bit. To clean it up, we're going to have y plus 3 equals 5/7 times x plus 7. So this is the equation of the line, it's just in point-slope form. And our question asked us to put it into slope-intercept form. So now I need to do what we were doing before. I need to distribute that 5/7 first. So 5/7 x, 5/7 times 7 is 5. And then subtract that 3 so that y equals 5/7 x plus 2. And this is our equation in slope-intercept form. Okay. When given 2 points, write the equation of the line passing through the points negative 4, negative 2, and 4, 0 in slope-intercept form. Step 1 is to find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we get a slope of positive 1/4. We need to plug in one of the points and the slope to point-slope form. Remember, it doesn't matter which point you use to substitute. Both points are on the line. So I used 4, 0. The reason I used 4, 0 is because when I clean this up and write y minus 0, it just becomes y equals 1/4 times x minus 4. But notice, this is still not slope-intercept form because we still have to distribute that 1/4. So 1/4 x minus 1 is our slope-intercept form once we distribute that 1/4. Okay, this problem is on your own, and this is the last problem of the notes.